his first video.
Yo, so
Guys,
today
mute your
we
mic
are
in
gonna
the,
play. Wait,
mute
am
your
I
mic.
unmuted?
Mute
Yeah,
your-
okay.
mute the call.
So today we are gonna play
Mute your mic in the
Animal
call.
Rivals with our friends, and
Mute in the call. Mute
we
your mic in the call.
will be just 2v2ing. Okay. So yeah,
Wait,
subscribe.
Mute your mic
I
in the call.
will. So subscribe
Good.
to Edgy Parrot. Yeah, hold up. Let me mute the
No,
mic in the call.
No, it's not Edgy Parrot.
Oh, yes it is. Your username is still Edgy Parrot.
It is?
Yes.
Yeah, it's your so
It
shows
is.
your username. All right, you're just
His username in VR is capital J plays dash JB. JB is capital, by the way.
If J. Yo, Christian, mute your mic on the call. Christian just hopped on.
Okay, well, we're not like. She knows. All right, so yeah. We're just gonna be messing around and playing each other
I don't know how to mute it.
in Animal Rivals.
I don't know how to.
In the wall you go.
Christian, I'm not doing that. We're doing a video in chill. We're doing a video for their YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh, I just got bodied. I suck. My first game of the day, by the way.
Right next to his ear, bro.
First game of the day, by the way.
Round starting.
Grenade! I hit Edgy. Killed. I'm dead.
The back of my head. Oh, yeah. Bit me, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Round starting.
Help. I'm dead. Holy!
I hit him 95.
Alright, I'ma lock in. Trust, teammate. I'ma lock in.
My neck, bro, it burns.
Round starting.
I'm not trusting you.
I just got hit by a bazooka. Hit Jaden for 20.
Yo, get him! Behind you.
Yo, teammate!
I sold.
It's alright. I told you I was locking in. I just told you. I just told you. You just did it. Suicide! Go run up on him. Go run! Go get him!
Run!
I strapped a bomb on you.
I got one shot. You're not tough.
Teammate!
Yeah, bro, you made me go.
Okay.
You made me go suicide bomb.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Round starting.
Hit Jaden for 40. I'm dead. Holy! Dang it, I was about to run. I hit Jaden for 40.
He's still in the back.
And they're both camping left corner. Is that? No, right corner. He's rushing. Jaden's right. Alright, teammate, that was on me. Rematch.
Yeah.
Rematch.
Wait, let's play with
Wait, one more game.
Too late. Alright, so look, and we're gonna be playing 3v3s with our other friends. It's gonna be a long game, a long video. So we're waiting for wait, is it 2 more people? Mm-hmm. Are they both on? We're making a video. We're in the middle of a video, Mom.
Let's just run one more twos until like they get on. Come on, rematch us. Rematch us. She knows.
Oh, what are we doing? You're saying that? Wait, I'm gonna try the outlaw.
Green chicken.
Or the revolver.
Kobe. Alright, so we gotta cook, teammate.
Use this gun. I don't.
Sure.
It's not like a normal.
Round starting.
There's a grenade.
Oh, I hate Grayson.
I'm dead. I hit your brother for 40.
Yeah, holy target. I hit him 90.
Alright, I'm locking in now.
He's locking in now.
Just trust, it's gonna be okay.
Round starting.
We're all probably. I just got hit by a grenade. Killed one.
Yo!
I told you I was locking in. He's right here.
Dottie!
I marked him and said he was right there. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. I'm locked in.
Round starting.
Oh yeah, y'all are cooked, by the way.
I hit your brother for 74. Jaden is. I hit him for 74. Nice. Holy. Now we're playing like a team.
My bad, I didn't think it was on. I have near Mars.
Round starting.
I have every weapon in the game. Are you lying? Are you lying to me? Are you lying? I hit.
Yo, you got. Oh, you died. I hit Jaden for.
I hit you 74.
What?
Okay,
Round starting.
We're about to get you one, okay?
Hit Grayson 45.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Wait. Don't kill Grayson. Don't kill Grayson.
Round starting.
Oh, he should have been. He just shot. I hit him 95. Oh, I'm dead. I hit him 95. He's low, bro.
Thank you, teammate.
Bro, wait.
Teammate, unmute your
Round
mic.
starting.
Wait. I'm switching my load up. Sure.
I'm dead.
Oh no! No, I'm dead. Yeah, nice.
Yo, why is my body up in the rematch?
Are you done the infection?
Yeah.
Sniper and crossbow only. No, sniper. Oh wait. Sniper and katana and sniper. No, revolver and sniper.
No.
Okay, fine. No, we're.
Me and my teammate were about to
Match
cook.
starting.
Sniper and katana.
Sniper.
Sniper.
And katana, no grenade.
Just sniper and
Round
katana.
starting.
Stay tuned. We're gonna win one of these.
Yo, I accidentally
Oh my
switched out
God.
of my weapon.
Oh,
Big Mac. Yo, I'm not missing. I'm not missing. Never get a 6-pack.
I'm dead.
1, 2, you're weird. 4, you got belly roll. I'm not missing my shot, bro. Sorry, bro.
In the wall.
Round starting.
How did that miss?
I'm dead.
Your ears off.
My teammate is cooking. Hold up.
I just hit the wall. Yeah. I hit the wall.
Round starting.
I hit him for 74. Nice.
200. Hell no.
I killed Jaden. Holy, that was W. That was a W shot. I'm about to 360 no scope all of them.
360 no scope, chat?
Round starting.
Yeah.
My teammate just got 360 no scope.
No, you didn't even
Killed one.
up and I still I
Killed two. Holy! Holy!
Alright, 360 no scope, chat?
I'm about to snipe this dude out of the air. Bang.
Oh, what?
I'm dead. I just got no scope. How? Oh. I saw you, teammate. Yo, that was actually insane. You're goated with the sniper. My brother is overly goated with the sniper.
360 no scope.
Round starting.
What? What the heck? Bro's the master.
Killed him. Holy.
Bro's the master at third.
No, because Jaden kept shooting me, so I was chasing Jaden. And then, yeah.
Round starting.
Got him. How did I miss? No. 360 no scope. Dad.
Yeah, we sure are. 360 no scope for the win.
Round starting.
200. 200.
Holy.
I got 200. No way he won't be Tuesday.
I'm dead. Alright, teammate, just trust.
Are you done the infection game yet? Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe if I hit this.
Like him. Oh,
Get
what? I was about to. Oh, no,
I'm dead.
No. Yeah, guys.
Alright,
guys.
wait,
Same loadout. Make a new video.
Same thing.
Soon, and like and subscribe.
I'm not.
Bye bye.
I will not stop recording until we win, teammate.
Same loadout. Good. 360.
I will not stop recording until me and my teammate win. Okay, just let me get warmed up first. All right.
In the description, I'm gonna say 360.
I'm gonna hit them with the 360. Just trust.
Match starting.
Bro. He's so bad, bro. He got 360 no scope by me.
You're not getting in any more of the descriptions of my. Oh, you just died. Why are you going in the air? You see both of them flying.
He's so bad, bro. He's so bad.
Oh my gosh. Now I'm getting trash talk.
Hey, the chat for G-Man.
Round starting.
Just accept it, bro. You know he's trash, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to shut you up real fast. Yeah, I shoved that katana up your butt. Bang!
Go better game. Yo, Grayson.
Where is he?
What?
Nice.
Bruh.
Yeah, Jaden, I'm gonna shut you up real quick. Come on. You wanna keep talking? Yeah.
Go up into the
Round
air.
starting.
Holy, I'm dead. I killed you. Yeah.
Ow. Grayson's one shot. It might be one shot with the tank.
Bro, what? I'm literally fighting a whole Blade right now.
No.
W, teammate. I was fighting a weaponized Blade, bro.
Weaponized Blade is insane.
Round starting.
That's like a crazy stage. No.
I'm dead.
No, 200.
I'm dead,
That feels like
teammate.
a little rat.
I hit Jaden for 74. You're cooked. That's all you, teammate?
No! I missed the shot.
Jaden, you think the glitch that you found out still works? Using the marker as your
Round starting.
Yeah, no, it's not really a glitch. It's like fully. Dude, I couldn't even see. Alright, yeah, that's my bad, teammate. What are you doing?
I'm running for my life. Currently.
You can't run. The map is so small.
Killed one.
Oh my god.
Killed two! Oh my gosh! I am goated! Let's go! Yeah! Oh yeah, give me that.
Starting.
Oh yeah.
No. Bro, how did I not shoot you? I got you, teammate.
Help!
No! I hit him once. Oh, take a shot. You got this.
I kind of don't.
Jay, play, bro. Jay, play.
Bang!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Do,
Alright.
do. I keep getting one-shotted.
Round starting.
A private capture the flag. That would be increased. Listen, that doesn't even do anything.
I haven't played the new private. I haven't played the new capture the flag.
I just destroyed y'all. Three body in the air. Y'all are so bad.
I'm locking in though. 5 kills.
Y'all are bad, bro.
Oh my gosh, I'm dead. Clutch up.
What? Play again.
Yeah. I'm not stopping until I win. I will not stop.
Wait, no. Same loadout. Wait, what? Same loadout. Wait, should we do the ship map? Revolver and katana. Revolver.